Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Can't Handle Horror. I'm Rance, and we are trying to continue on and get through Dr. Mercer and God, the Regenerators here, and I am not for it at all. Like, it's too much, man. I hate it. I hate that I can't kill something. But it's just, but yeah, last time we left off, we found the Regenerator. Dr. Mercer is a piece of garbage, and, we are now going through his office, or trying to make it to his office, to lift up the lockdown so we can be free. But I highly suspect once we lift this lockdown, we're gonna have to fight it and actually kill it. So, oh my god. Text log, yep. Credits, large medkit, yeah.
Warning. Local door protocols corrupted.
Jesus.
Rebooting system. Please stand by.
God, man. Okay.
Who's there?
Oh God! Hold on, I can help you.
Not me. Save hydroponics. We're all dying. Air's poison, but there's still time. Her enzyme will work if... She just needs liquid nitrogen. Save us!
Liquid nitrogen. Got it.
He was right. Air quality is dropping ship-wide. Something's poisoning the oxygen in hydroponics. If we lose our air supply...
He said we could fix it. He came looking for liquid nitrogen, and there has to be some in the cryogenics lab.
Okay. Not like we have a better option. I'll clear you a path to cryo.
Alright.
Door protocols rebooted. Thank you for your patience.
Alright.
Toxic hazard detected.
Alright, I was gonna try to, save, but I guess not. Fuck at me. Keep going this way, I guess. Oh, you have got to be. I'm gonna die here. Yep.
Here! There's emergency bed control.
I didn't see it. My God. Man. Why do I start every episode dying? Man. I start every episode, I die to some random stupid garbage. First it was the brute, then I died to just being low health in one of the airways down the elevator. And then now I'm dying because there's just a rapid spawn of tiny little pissant microorganisms. Oh, I'm so mad. Oh, stretch. God. God, man. Okay, you're destroying us in it. We gotta lock in. Frame 1, I see. Flamethrower.
He's back in the duct. There's gotta be. Here! There's emergency bed control at the security checkpoint. Go! I'll try to lock him out.
Alright. Oh, you're the Regenerator. No. We need to go. Get off me, you little bastard! Wait. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it. Oh my God. Okay. Jesus Christ. Jeebus. Alright, well. We died to the small enemies, and now we're dying to gas, so what are we gonna die to next? I am in shambles, crying, throwing my hands in the air angrily. Man, God, why does it take so long? Na 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 na. We're going. We're going, we're going, we're running, we're going at speed of sound. Exit, sir.
Who's that in the duck?
No.
There's gotta be.
Okay, I made a mistake. I made a mistake.
Emergency
Shut
backup
up,
traffic
Daniels.
security checkpoint.
Shut up.
Go! I'll try to lock him out.
Open the door, open the door, open the door. That's very cool. Where? Okay. Okay.
Toxic hazard clear.
Ooh.
Clearing. Mercer pumped that gas in from hydroponics. So the air's already that bad.
I'm getting faster with the cryogenics.
I'll open the other door from the chemical lab. It'll take you straight there.
I'd rather get out of here. Why? Music, stop being dramatic. Oh, they followed me. Okay. Are we being fucking for real? Are we being fucking for real? Okay. Ridiculous, man. Oh, we just going in here now. Alright. We just saying fuck it, huh? Him loud. Good. Cryogenics. Can't go that way, that's level 30 security. He is angrily stomping about. He needs to know it.
Level 3 security clearance required.
We're good, we're fine. Save. Let's just save before we go into cryogenics. With my death counter up at its highest. Yeah, it's gonna be a boss fight and a half. I heard it. That's fin. Boss fight and a half. Yep. Fire liquid nitrogen. Well, before I do that, let me grab all the ammo and shit I can. Alright, well. Gotcha.
Seeing my hunter unleashed is almost worth losing my other patients. But you and Dr. Brennan have delayed me enough.
If you've hurt Nicole,
I have never shown anything but courtesy to Dr. Brennan. Can you say the same?
I can say I'm not a fucking murderer.
Speaking of courtesy, do I have you tagged for fixing the Ishimura's engines?
Okay.
Our homecoming will be truly divine.
These.
And I doubt even you can stop a convergence event fueled by the entire population of Earth.
You take these things to Earth, it's all over.
Only for the faithless. Humanity will be made whole, Mr. Clark. With or without you. I'd say you've chosen your side.
Mercer, you are such an asshat. And you're fat. God. There he is. So, let's see. Okay. I see. Nah, let's not do that. He's picking up speed! Fucking ass. Out. We're fine. Dodge that. Because I am him. Incarnate. Okay, okay. But again. Okay. I like do anything about this. No. Can't do a fucking thing about this. What am I supposed to be doing here? If I... Hello? What am I supposed to be doing here? I'm confused. I'm so confused. What do I need to do? Is there something I'm missing in here? Do I have to trap them in here? I'm very much confused what I need to do. I see. Okay. I see what I gotta do. It's clear to me now. Get this.
Initiating cryogenic freeze. Cryogenic freeze complete. Transferring specimen to storage.
Bastard locked me out again.
Okay.
Isaac,
Yes.
you okay?
I stopped that hunter. When Mercer's gone. He wants to take these things to Earth, Kendra. You have to seal the captain's nest and warn Hammond.
Okay, I can seal the nest, but I haven't been able to reach Hammond since he went to the crew deck. Isaac, our air quality is falling fast. If you've got liquid nitrogen, we gotta fix hydroponics.
On it. Keep trying to reach Hammond. Mercer, I don't think he's done yet.
Got it, Pookie. Alright, can you open this? Because there's an item right there. Yoink. Tissue sample.
Got something, Isaac?
Let's call it a tissue sample from Mercer's pet hunter.
Careful. Who knows what mad science went into that thing?
Maybe I could find out. Figure out what Mercer's up to. If I'm fast, there has to be a DNA scanner close by.
Isaac, the
Okay.
hydroponics tram station is sealed off. You'll need another way there. Take the
Okay.
tram back towards the hangar, then head to the repair station. Remember where you took that broken tram car off the tracks? There's an access door in there that'll take you to hydroponics.
Okay. Let's just go to hydroponics then. I'm still very was I'll take that. I'm not so much surprised that I'm doesn't look like there's anything there. Alright, neat. Yoink. There's anything worth a damn in here? Open a door. You got a bench in here? No? Doesn't like it. Okay, fine. Let circuit breaker, oxygen stasis, shop bin. Is that with me right now, though? I can go through, like, what, right here? I think it's... Let me see. There's a bench nearby. Yeah, so I can... Yeah, okay. Through here. Through here. Just shoppy right here. I can sell some stuff out. Alright. A nice line. Holy fucking fuck. Let's buy this, and let's buy... that. Sell that. Alright, now that we got some upgrades for all these equipment. But now we can go, can't go through right here, apparently that's locked. Do this and then take a sharp left. I think? Yeah. Here and then right, yep, bench right here. Neat. Alright, cool. Okay, what does this do? Special one. Greatly increases fire rate, and greatly increases magazine infirmer. Special one. Wall fires burn much. I got 6 though, it's OP. Great. Anything that gives me more health, I'm all for. Oh. Upgrade the mess out of that suit. Got 2 of the upgrades from the shop. I'd rather not. Alright. Whoa! Aggressive. Really? Why are we doing this? Ridiculous, I swear. Is this where I'm supposed to go? No. Okay. Weird enemy to come through that bitch, but whatever, I guess. Okay, I have to go through here, and it wants me to the hangar.
Flight deck tram control.
Okay. Ow. Ass. Oh my.
Arriving at flight deck tram control.
Where do you want me to go? This way. I don't like this at all. Oh. Okay, let me save real quick. I don't remember last time I saved was. Tram repair room. I've been here before. I can come through here. Hydroponics.
Isaac, if you're near hydroponics,
Okay.
check your helmet filters. That air's not safe to breathe.
Yeah, I smelled it. The whole deck's rotting.
I'm reading a huge mass in food storage. Too big to be anything they grew. It looks like the source of the poison gas. That patient in medical, he said something about creating an enzyme, right? Maybe the scientist left the workstation open.
Probably.
Hydroponics log, Dr. Elizabeth Cross.
Override station? Oh yeah, override station. Okay. Very loud.
Created a surplus. I had the surplus backed up so we could send it to the
Now
colony.
accessible.
The captain
Thank
of
you
Bias
for your
is
patience.
strictly enforcing his no-fly order. It's ridiculous. I'm lodging a complaint. Everyone knows Aegis 7 needs help. What harm could some fresh fruit do?
That's where you went down. Bathrooms? Alright. Alright. No, no. Back off me. Head pack. Pulse rounds. Alright. Well, let's not do that again. Shit again? But I got a shit? Dookie? Alright, guess not. Well. Can't say I'm a fan of this. Of course, there's the botanical area. Why would there not be? A little loud and dramatic, don't you think? For you to water goddamn plants.
Gordon Luke. This is Dr. Elizabeth Cross. To all survivors, turn back.
Okay.
It's all gone. Everything we grew. My team. All dead. That monster.
Yeah.
Please. Get somewhere safe. If I can find a way to kill it somehow. Jacob,
Uh-huh.
if you're hearing this, you know I have to try.
Okay.
Warning. Liquid nitrogen supply depleted.
Alright. Lot going on here. Might I say. A lot going on. Got anything I could sell? That's part.
Warning. Liquid nitrogen supply depleted.
Uh-huh. Hold off. Okay. Let's save right here. Uh-huh.
Warning. Liquid
What is
nitrogen
there?
supply depleted.
Yeah, let's just listen.
Liquid nitrogen replenished. Beginning enzyme synthesis. Enzyme synthesis complete. Caution. Do not ingest.
Okay.
Any luck?
Yeah, I finished the enzyme. It's been modified to digest something big.
They must have been trying to kill whatever's in food storage. Let's hope it works.
Okay, so can't get there or there. Alright, let's see what the fuck's in food storage.
No. Go back. There's no way into food storage. Even if it was, the Leviathan would devour you.
You're Elizabeth Cross, right? This Leviathan. Is that what's poisoning the air?
The air. My team has destroyed everything. I designed a special enzyme to kill it. I just needed liquid nitrogen to complete the synthesis. The people I sent to medical never came back.
I've got some of that enzyme here.
Oh my god. How? Listen.
Okay.
You need to inject it into the Leviathan. You can't get into food storage, but there's another way. It's risky.
Riskier than running out of air?
My team has been altered. They're all connected to the Leviathan, breathing out its toxins. That connection goes both ways.
Okay. So if I get to your team and inject them,
The enzyme will be carried right into the Leviathan's heart. Bind the WHEEZERS. End their suffering. And when the Leviathan is weak enough, we vent the bastard into space.
Very cool. Okay. The WHEEZERS. Oh, I love the band. I love the band. Weapon upgrade, whipper upgrade. I guess we're about to get the Ripper. I'll probably get upgrades for shit, and I'm not even supposed to have them yet. Yeah, run. Take that, I guess. Do I even have any nodes left? I think I spent all 6. Let me check. I mean, might as well. I have 0 nodes. I don't even have the Ripper, so I can't even like throw it onto the bench. Okay. Storage access level 3. That plasma energy, and I'll take those credits. Thank you. Down we go, team. Oh, I lied. Up we go. Up we go. Very cool. Very cool, I guess. Oh, this sounds awful, because this is a really big open area. Alrighty. This is gonna fucking suck. There it is. There we are. I hear you. Pussy. Die. Please. Die. That's such ass. Get off me. Motherfucker. We still have more coming. Whoa! Okay. Brother. Respectfully. Go down. I know there's another one somewhere around here. Here. There you are. Okay, there you go. Okay.
Clearance confirmed.
Let's go in here. Is there any of these either? No? Force energy. Force gun. How do I have a Ripper upgrade, but I don't have the... What? A force gun. Force energy. Okay.
Clearance confirmed.
Okay.
Security request retrieved.
Hello, security. This is Dr. Cross in hydroponics. Something just hit the hull near food storage. We think it's a rogue asteroid. I have people injured with decompression. We need medics and crowd control right away. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Everyone out of food storage! It's alive! How can it be alive?
That's locked. That's the way I came. I've already been to that one area. Force energy. I can either go down to there or go to here. I think I found one of the WHEEZERS.
Toxic hazard detected.
Hey, buddy.
Toxic hazard cleared.
Really? There you go. Go down. Thank you. Okay, we'll leave that with him. Of course there'd be more. Hello. Eesh.
Liz Cross again. I never asked your name.
Isaac Clarke, systems engineer.
Engineer. Have you seen Jacob Temple?
I haven't, but I'm looking for someone too. Dr. Nicole Brennan.
Dr. Brennan. Doesn't she help people leave unitology?
Yeah, like my mother. That's how we met.
Okay.
I
okay. The unitologists here didn't like anyone questioning them. And since the captain died, they've all snapped.
Alright. Short range kinetic booster device. Hello? Oh Lord, have mercy. It just didn't want to go down. Take that. Alright. Buckaroo. Hey, let's get that in your noggin. I was like, I know, I see it. They gonna sit here and tell me it ain't there. This is right there. Oh, hey, buddy. We stomped that little noggin of yours. Really, that's it up here? Alright. I'd expect a little more. Hold on. No energy. Okay, I don't really know where it goes to. Ah, I see. Doors, jungle ambience. Alright. Ooh, store. Alright. Let's see. Aim is from line gun. Specific gas crawlers from line cutting beam. There. Maybe? Let me see the map. Okay. Alright. Alrighty. Alright, I think we're gonna call it there for that episode. And we are almost 40 minutes over. Dear Lord. Alright, we're gonna, for this one, I think we've put the enzyme in 2 out of the 5 WHEEZERS? 6 WHEEZERS? I don't really know how many there are, to be honest with you. But yeah, we'll call that one there. And with that, I'll see y'all on the next episode. And we will be continuing this and Alien Isolation I'm dreading that game, and I'm thinking about doing a mouth washing, like full playthrough in like a one sitting. I might, depending on how long the game is. I'll look it up. Yeah. I appreciate everyone very much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.